exciting day, guys. Today is something that Nelly and I have been very excited about for quite some time. We found out that there is an IKEA pop-up store in the Mall of Asia where you can go and look at furniture already, and that's what we came for right now. We found out it's in the atrium of the Mall of Asia, and we just discovered it right here. We're gonna bring you guys along, and we're gonna see, touch some IKEA furniture that so far all of our apartments outside of the Philippines have been decorated with IKEA furniture.
Yes, that's true.
So
I'm very excited to see some IKEA furniture again. We haven't seen IKEA in years. Yeah. Can't even remember when the last time was, but I enjoy going to IKEA.
I think the last one was in Taipei.
That's true.
The smallest IKEA in the world. But this just might be, here it is, the smallest IKEA in the world.
Yeah, this is just a little fair, as they call it, right?
Pop-up.
Pop-up, yeah. So it's not to buy, you can just look, and then hopefully this year they will open the store here in Manila, which is going to be the biggest IKEA store in the world.
And of course, because it is the Burr month already, we have some very upbeat Christmas music playing everywhere already. All the songs, all the stores have Christmas songs playing. Jingle bells are happening.
How convenient is it that there is a planned pop-up right next to the IKEA pop-up? I think I'll just stay here.
I see this was your plan all along, Nelly. This was your plan all along.
Oh wow, look.
Wow. So we just scanned for the contact tracing, and now we're in a waiting area before we can actually go inside and check it out.
And I'm in.
Wow. It's like we're in Sweden again.
This is my spot now. Okay, you go ahead. Cool, yeah, so nice. They made it look like it's a heritage house. So they have on the outside the wooden elements. Well, it looks like it's wooden. It's not wooden though. But yeah, it's so cozy.
So one thing that I always loved about going to IKEA is they have like fully decorated rooms, apartments in different sizes. So you could literally go somewhere, sit down and get a feel of how it would be living with this furniture. Nelly found something she likes already?
No, I'm just thinking because is it something that Peanut cannot destroy?
Oh yeah, Peanut can destroy everything. So you get to check out what it would feel like living in that space, and you can go from room to room. And they also have it like, they have different square meter sized entire apartments that you can check out. Nelly found her chair. Is that a nice chair?
Yeah, it is.
Looks comfortable.
Comfy, yeah, it is. I'm going to the dining room.
Oh, sorry guy, I didn't see you.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice. I like the light concept.
Yeah.
I think we need some lamps.
Yeah.
Still missing some lamps in our condo. Those are nice.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the next room?
The next room seems to be like a living space, like a small living space. It's like a kitchen and oh, sorry, hi. Oh, look here.
Nice.
That's another thing. IKEA always has like small little tidbits and snacks and sweets and different kinds of stuff. Cinnamon buns. We were just talking about the IKEA cinnamon buns today as well.
Oh, there's the kitchen.
Oh, nice. Hello.
Whoa.
Wow, this is cool.
Yeah.
This must
that's
be
a nice sink.
This must be the smallest shower I've ever seen. No?
Yeah, it just showcases how much storage space you have.
Here's something else I love. You can just get everything, like pots, pans, dishes, plates, cutlery, and then it's well thought for. Look, this, you can drain your pasta just with this thing. You just...
By the way, guys, this video is not sponsored. We are here on our own terms because we wanted to check it out. Although Mike is a very good salesperson.
I'm just waiting for somebody to tell me to stop filming, actually.
Oh, nice.
how many of these have we owned in our life?
I don't know,
This
many.
exact model.
Many.
Many.
Yeah, so this is the kitchen. Yes. Thank you. Alcohol everywhere.
Yes.
Nice disinfecting. So they actually have staff here who is making sure that everybody is socially distancing, so we can only move forward once the people in the front have left the bathroom area. So, are we good? You can go there in the bathroom. Okay, thank you. Now we can go. Oh, that's nice, yeah. Oh, nice bathroom.
I like this. This is very nice.
Yeah. Maybe for our other bathroom.
Yes.
So we do like a proper renovation.
Yeah. Very cool.
But yeah. There's some nice items here.
It's just so practical because there's so many options, and then I always find there's a very good flow of, the bathroom furniture. You can find a similar design for like kitchen furniture, so it all becomes very cohesive and familiar.
What's next? Bedroom, yeah. But yeah, this bathroom is a nice inspiration for us for the second bathroom. So maybe we can renovate the second bathroom once IKEA opens. Would make things easier for us.
Yeah.
So what they said is you cannot shop here yet. This is just for showcasing the furniture. But if you go online on the website, you can already put your items of interest into the
Shopping
cart.
Wish list.
But you can't buy it yet. Once they open up, I don't know when that will be, but they say maybe fourth quarter. I guess they're going to open before Christmas.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I think so. The facade looks already different. It's all like glass outside. But yeah, come in. Oh, nice.
Oh.
Yeah, we need a.
Look how nicely it opens.
Yeah, our cabinet is very flimsy.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is so nice. Oh my god. Can I take it with?
Yeah,
Wow.
we need to reorganize our cabinet.
Yes.
Cupboard.
Cupboard. I think this is the first thing that we will replace once IKEA opens.
Yeah, this is
Wow,
for
so
all
nice.
my earrings and everything.
Something like this would also be cool for camera stuff.
Yes, true. Again, something that we can do with this is actually design it according to our according to our measurements. So I hope
There's like a 3D planner on the website by IKEA, so you just put in the measurements and then you 3D plan everything.
that's how we 3D planned our kitchen, our coffee shop, all of our other
Office.
yeah. And do they have prices here? Yeah, they have prices here. Oh yeah, look. It's already all here. 4,400. How much is this bed frame?
Isn't this the Malt bed?
Yeah, it's the mom bed.
This is the bed we used to have.
Yeah, 15,000 pesos.
Yeah.
Nice. Decorational items for cheap. I mean, this is a huge frame. So I think I even paid more for a living room frame. Okay, we got it.
Thank you.
Hello.
So fun.
Nice nice balcony area.
Yeah, look at those.
Woo.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, and that concludes the full IKEA pop-up tour, right? Yeah, it's just a small area, but I think it already showcases how it can look like in your home.
Yeah.
Really love the balcony area here.
And I'm super excited because, we have that whole house in the province project coming up
Yes.
very soon. So we can get we'll have another source of furniture that we can get inspirations, decorate certain spaces.
Yeah.
And it's such a unique, stylish look when you come into IKEA, and
it's affordable.
It's affordable, yeah.
And everything is in one spot, so it's a one-stop shop.
Exactly.
Which is very convenient for us because buying things here in the Philippines can be very challenging, especially when you're looking for something very specific.
And
so
I think
that will make things easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
What a fun little excursion to the IKEA pop-up store.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I think today is the last day that this pop-up store is here. It was over the past 2 days and today, but I'm pretty sure that they'll be doing a pop-up again soon before they open up. Really cool. Nice to get some inspos.
We're definitely looking forward to the opening of IKEA here in the Philippines, the biggest IKEA in the world. Let us know in the comments down below if you are looking forward to it, what you are planning to furnish once it opens up, what your favorite things are at IKEA. And we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place.
Remember to stay awesome.
Be positive.
And get nice furniture for at home.
What?
And get nice furniture for at home.
You know we got it like that.